All right, this is part 3 of the tour where we have our sample lab, and this came about when we first started the company. We were, starting to scale and build up a good customer base, and we found that most customers, especially with powders, pre-workouts, proteins, they want to taste their product, check the efficacy, make sure everything's exactly what they want it to be. And one of the reasons they want to do that is because these are custom products. So, every product's a little bit different. So it makes sense when you can do that. And we typically get these out within 5 to 7 business days. Right now they're super busy. They're sending out about 40 samples a day. So that's been extended a little bit longer to 10 business days. But you can come take a peek in here. You can see they are very, very busy, and in there whipping the samples up. So we can do either powder samples, which typically it's $795. You get a choice of up to 3 flavors of one formula. And with that, you can change the flavor one time if you're not happy with the flavor, but any formula change requires an additional, although discounted, sample fee. And we can also do capsule samples if you want to sample your capsule product, and that usually comes in batches of 300 capsules for $300. And that's it for the sample lab.